Let's take a look at the new play and play pause options that you can add to your video items on any of your event screens. Now to do that, I'm running a sharing station here, so I'm going to show you on the show video screen. So let me just look at the properties of this video item. And here you will see that there are two new options. This is play and this is play pause. Now by default, all your video items are set to automatically play when the screen shows. So let me just show you that. I'll choose a video. Let's take this one. And it's automatically playing. Now let's go back into the show video screen. So that's the default condition. It will automatically play here. Now I'm going to swap these around and show you what the combinations do. I'll also turn the volume down so it doesn't get in the way of my speech. So the first thing I'm going to do is tick this option as well, which is play pause, and watch what happens. I'll choose the same video. Now notice it's playing, but if I click on it or touch it, it pauses. If I click it again, it keeps playing. So it's a toggle. Okay, let's go back in again. This time I'm going to leave this ticked, which is play pause, and I'm going to untick this option. Watch what happens this time. I'll choose the same video again. Now this time we show the video paused right at the beginning, but you can still play and pause it. So you may want to offer it that way. Back in again. This time I'm going to untick both of them. Now in this situation, you just get the first frame of the video and you can't start it playing. So it's basically locked, it's a static image effectively. So you may want to offer it that way. Another new feature is the ability to show a video thumbnail in an image item, and the video thumbnail will be the one that's been currently chosen. So let's show you how to do that. I'm going to put the video thumbnail on the show video screen. So let's add a new image item, placeholder, and here I'm going to set it to be video thumbnail. Just make this a bit bigger. So I'm going to set the video item playing, and this should show the video thumbnail. So as you can see, we're playing the video up here, but we're also showing a thumbnail. Also included in this version of RightBooth is the new RightBooth player. And you can get that from the programs group that's installed. You'll also see it on the start menu. Here it is. If you start running the player, it will automatically use the event that was most recently open in the RightBooth editor. As you can see here, it's going to be using the sharing station. So you simply play it from that point. Now the player is a cut down version of RightBooth, so it uses less memory, but it uses all of the settings that you put together in the RightBooth editor. So for instance, if you set the RightBooth editor to automatically play the event, then when you run the player, that will also automatically run the event. So let me just show you that. So I'm back in the editor. Let's go to settings, start, stop, play the current event. I'm going to shut down the editor, and now I'll run the player. and the player automatically starts the event playing. Now remember that the player needs a product code, so if you've bought a product code to run the editor, then that code can also be used with the player. But if you need to run two players, then you will need two product codes. So basically your bought codes for the editor will work for the player.